Integrating development and operations in agile environments. In this presentation, we will explore the synergy between DevOps and Agile methodologies. We will define each approach, examine their core principles, and discuss how integrating them can lead to more efficient and effective software development and deployment. DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development, abbreviated as Dev, and information technology operations, abbreviated as Ops. It aims to shorten the system's development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. The diagram illustrates the continuous loop of DevOps with plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor phases seamlessly flowing into each other. This iterative process ensures that development and operations work hand in hand for faster and more reliable software delivery. The core principles of DevOps include continuous integration, which involves frequently merging code changes into a central repository, followed by automated builds and tests. Continuous delivery focuses on automating the software release process to deploy reliably at any time with minimal human intervention. Continuous monitoring is about constantly observing application performance and infrastructure health to detect and resolve issues quickly. Infrastructure as code means managing infrastructure through code, rather than manual processes for consistency and repeatability. Collaboration involves breaking down silos between development and operations teams to work together throughout the product lifecycle. Lastly, automation replaces manual processes with automated solutions to increase efficiency and reduce human error. Agile is an iterative approach to project management and software development that helps teams deliver value to their customers faster and with fewer headaches. Instead of betting everything on a big bang launch, an Agile team delivers work in small, but consumable increments. The Agile Manifesto values individuals and interactions over processes and tools. It values working software over comprehensive documentation. It values customer collaboration over contract negotiation. It also values responding to change over following a plan. These principles guide Agile teams to be flexible, customer-focused, and responsive to evolving project requirements. The integration of DevOps practices with Agile methodologies creates a powerful framework that enhances collaboration, automation, and continuous delivery, while maintaining the customer-focused, iterative approach of Agile. This diagram illustrates how Agile and DevOps intersect to create an integrated approach. Agile focuses on iterative development, customer collaboration, sprint planning, and retrospectives. DevOps emphasizes continuous integration, continuous delivery, infrastructure as code, and monitoring and feedback. When integrated, these methodologies bring automated testing, continuous feedback, cross-functional teams, and faster time to market. The connecting lines show the synergy between Agile and DevOps, highlighting that they work together to achieve common goals. The integration of DevOps in Agile environments provides several benefits. Faster delivery is achieved through automation and continuous integration, enabling teams to deliver features more rapidly and reliably. Early issue detection is facilitated by continuous testing and monitoring, helping to identify and resolve issues before they impact users. Enhanced collaboration results from breaking down silos between development and operations teams, improving communication and efficiency. Improved quality is driven by automated testing and continuous feedback loops, leading to higher quality software with fewer defects. Increased adaptability is enabled by faster feedback cycles, allowing teams to respond more quickly to changing requirements and market conditions. Better resource utilization occurs through automation of repetitive tasks, freeing up team members to focus on higher value activities. Implementing DevOps in Agile teams involves several key steps. First, assess the current workflow to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement in your existing development process. Second, automate testing at all levels, including unit, integration, and end-to-end tests. Third, set up a continuous integration and continuous delivery, abbreviated as CI or CD pipeline to automate build, test, and deployment processes. Fourth, Implement monitoring tools to track application performance and user experience. Here is an example of a basic CI/CD pipeline in YAML. It defines the stages: build, test, and deploy. It includes the scripts to build and test the application using Node Package Manager, abbreviated as NPM commands. The deploy stage runs only on the master branch. Integrating DevOps with Agile methodologies can present several challenges. One common challenge is cultural resistance, where teams may resist changes to established workflows and responsibilities, especially when breaking down traditional silos. The solution here is to focus on incremental changes, provide training, and demonstrate early wins to build confidence in the new approach. Another challenge is technical complexity, where implementing automation tools in CI/CD pipelines can be technically challenging, especially for teams without DevOps expertise. To address this, start with simple automation, invest in training, and consider bringing in DevOps specialists to guide implementation. Time investment is also a significant challenge, as setting up DevOps practices requires significant upfront time investment, which can be challenging to balance with ongoing development work. Allocate dedicated time for DevOps implementation in sprint planning and demonstrate return on investment to justify the investment. Finally, security concerns arise as faster delivery cycles can potentially introduce security vulnerabilities if security isn't properly integrated into the pipeline. Implement security as code practices and automated security testing at every stage of the development pipeline to mitigate this risk. In conclusion, let's recap the key takeaways and next steps for integrating DevOps in Agile environments. DevOps and Agile are complementary approaches that enhance each other when properly integrated. Automation is the cornerstone of successful DevOps implementation in Agile environments. Cultural transformation is as important as technical implementation for long-term success. Continuous feedback loops between development, operations, and customers drive continuous improvement. As next steps, start with a small pilot project to implement DevOps practices in your Agile team. Invest in training and tools to build team capabilities in automation and CI/CD. Measure and celebrate improvements in delivery speed, quality, and team satisfaction. Some recommended resources include the DevOps Handbook by Gene Kim, Jez Humble and Patrick DuBois, and Continuous Delivery by Jez Humble and David Farley. By embracing these principles and practices, teams can achieve significant improvements in software delivery speed, quality, and collaboration. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.